With our partner 21 Shares, which is the largest crypto ETP provider in the world, be around Bitcoin futures, Ethereum futures, one will be Bitcoin futures and cash.
In this video, we are going to tell you the biggest price prediction of Bitcoin by the biggest investor. Let's dive into it. ARK Invest. CEO Cathie Wood sees crypto market exploding to $25 trillion in 2030. ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood says the crypto ecosystem will be dominated by Bitcoin and Ether, and will scale from about $1 trillion today to $25 trillion in 2030. The regulatory breakthrough is very important to bring institutions online, said the asset manager, emphasizing that the partnership between BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, and the NASDAQ-listed crypto exchange Coinbase is going to be very important. Cathie Wood, the CEO and CIO of ARK Investment Management, discussed the future outlook for the crypto industry and the potential approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in an interview with CNBC on Tuesday. Wood is optimistic about the SEC approving spot Bitcoin ETFs, pointing to significant changes in the current regulatory landscape compared to a year ago. She mentioned, "The SEC actually asked us questions," referring to ARK's spot Bitcoin ETF application. Wood noted that ARK's previous filings were rejected outright without any engagement. She further stated that the securities regulator also engaged with other applicants, such as BlackRock. The CEO of ARK Invest continued, "The regulatory breakthrough is very important to bring institutions online effectively." She emphasized, BlackRock and Coinbase partnership is going to be very important, referring to the agreement where BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust will utilize Coinbase custody as its custodian. Wood opined. Wood and her asset management firm have predicted that the price of Bitcoin will hit $1.48 million. In February, ARK Invest presented 3 Bitcoin price scenarios, projecting a base case of $682,800 by the end of 2030. The bull case envisioned BTC surging to $1.48 million within the same time frame. In July, Wood expressed increased confidence in Bitcoin's price reaching $1.48 million. The ARK Invest chief investment officer believes that the SEC will approve multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs at once. She noted that ARK's spot Bitcoin ETF application has a final deadline of Jan 10, so the SEC must either approve or deny it. In an interview with Bloomberg on Tuesday, Wood said, Bitcoin price prediction. Cathie Wood base case is BTC at $650,000. The futurist investment management firm is one of several awaiting SEC approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF product. In a recent interview, CEO Cathie Wood said, "Something has changed at the agency as they handle her fund's application for a spot Bitcoin ETF." Bitcoin price has whipsawed this week, pumping as high as $37,900 from the $35,200 handle over Tuesday and Wednesday. Then spot prices for BTC plunged below $35,800 Thursday before recovering with support at the $36,000 level Friday. The ARK Invest CEO and founder says the Securities and Exchange Commission has started to ask questions about her hedge fund's Bitcoin ETF filing. Until recently, however, the SEC would simply outright reject ARK's applications, she said. Wood is also bullish for Bitcoin because of the upcoming halving and the currency's 21 million supply cap. Wood said in an interview with Yahoo Finance on Wednesday, after this part of her answer, Wood never gave an exact figure for ARK Invest's base case. Instead, after emphasizing the limited supply of BTC, she pointed to an imminent onrush of institutional investors, noting, the ARK Invest CEO followed up with an appearance on CNBC's Squawk Box to discuss ARK Invest's ETF products and the still long-awaited SEC approval of Bitcoin ETFs. ARK Invest is very long on cryptocurrencies. ARK Invest's Cathie Wood and her hedge fund, ARK Invest, are bullish for the future. As a result, they are inveterate blockchain and BTC bulls. Wood said in an October 2022 interview on Peter McCormack's What Bitcoin Did podcast that she bought $100,000 worth of Bitcoin when it was $250. She said she hasn't sold it ever since. At $250 a pop, she most likely made the purchase around 2015. Given today's average Bitcoin prices on crypto exchanges, that means ARK Invest is sitting on more than $14 million in unrealized profits from the trade. Wood says she placed the 100-grand bet on Bitcoin after reading Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper on peer-to-peer electronic cash systems.